Air fryer shrimp. Sweet Sue cooking up today. Air fryer shrimp is always a treat for seafood lovers and cooks. Air fryers come in a large variety of sizes so that you can always find something to your liking. Air frying has become a fad for many, and air fryer shrimp is very easy to make. You do not need a lot of cooking experience or even a lot of supplies. All you need is a pan, some oil, and seafood. It really is as simple as that. In order to make air fryer shrimp, typically start by peeling and cleaning the shrimp, but leave off the heads. Next, place 3 bowls measured on the lower rack of the air fryer shrimp. One with just the flour and spices, another with just the breadcrumbs or egg mix, or both. When you get ready to add the shrimp to the mixture, stir it all around. Coat it well with garlic seasoning. Next, add the lemon zest, salt, and pepper, and stir it into the mixture. Cook for approximately 5 minutes. At this time, you can also sprinkle some oregano, black pepper, thyme, basil, parsley, sage, or any other type of herb or seasoning that you wish to include. You can use seasonings based on what type of seafood you are grilling. Shrimp works great with batter, flavored with crab, lobster, and scallops or fish. Works best with batter, flavored with salmon, tuna, haddock, and sardines. Stay tuned. In this next section, we'll show you how to make crispy, fried bacon-wrapped shrimp in a skillet. You will want to add the fresh ingredients and mix them together. You will take your shrimp, dip it into batter, and then fry it in oil over medium heat until crisp and brown on all sides. When done, remove it from the oil and place it on a plate. After your skillet is empty, wash and dry out your skillet, and then add your seasonings back to your ingredients and mix them well. Now that your ingredients are prepared, you will want to mix them together inside of your mixing bowl, and then spoon your mixture onto your skillet. Carefully wrap each piece of shrimp with a raw strip of bacon and attach with a toothpick. These can be raw or cooked shrimp. Heat the skillet over medium heat and allow your ingredients to cook for 3 minutes. Flip and cook the other side of your ingredients for the same amount of time, or you can use a wok. Add some delicious soy sauce or other sauces of your choice. At this point, you can serve your freshly fried crispy bacon wrapped shrimp to everyone on your birthday, graduation, or even anniversary list. If you are looking to make a single layer recipe of this delicious breaded shrimp recipe, Then all you have to do is add a single layer to your skillet, making sure that the first layer does not touch the bottom of the pot. As an alternative, if you find that the mix is too thick, you may want to add more shrimp to the mix at this point. You can add any type of shrimp of your choice, any flavor, or any breading. Once all of your ingredients are cooked, remove your skillet from the heat and allow it to cool down for a few minutes, during which time you can also wash out your cooking utensils. Once your shrimp recipes are complete, you can now serve your dish. If you would like to be a little more creative, you can top off each piece with a tasty sauce. It's fun to have this tasty variety. It's also fun to have family and friends over to give you some tips and try out your new recipes. You can also mash some fresh salsa. Doesn't this look great? For example, if you wish to include barbecue sauce, then simply place that in the pot with your shrimp. If you would like your shrimp to have a sweeter flavor, simply add some sugar to the mix. As an interesting twist to your air-fried shrimp recipe, you may even wish to drizzle a little bit of nutritional supplement over each piece and serve to your guests. Garlic shrimp can be served as a starter, main course, or as a delicious side dish. As you may have guessed, garlic has a strong flavor that is commonly used in the preparation of sauces. These can be sliced or pressed to get some of the juice out. And you don't need very much. One variation of garlic shrimp that you might find is to substitute the traditional tomato-based ketchup for a light and flavorful version made with vinegar and garlic. To make this sauce, simply reduce the amount of lemon juice that you would normally use for your Cajun spice mixture by 1/2. Add the Cajun spices. After this change, spoon your light tomato Cajun ketchup into your air fryer shrimp recipe and wait for it to be fully cooked. Serve this delicious sauce on its own, with tortilla chips, or with your favorite vegetables. Here is another wonderful recipe. I just have a great illustration here. You can have noodles, shrimp. You can have a side dish of parsley, peppers, dip. You could have carrots or snap peas. And it looks absolutely delicious. I'm getting hungry. I need to eat some shrimp. We're glad you're enjoying our videos. Please keep watching. We have amazing recipes. And village cooking over open fires. These videos are very interesting, and the village people are very skilled in how they cook. Be sure to click the bell and be notified of all of our videos when they become public. Click now to like, subscribe, and get notified. Thank you for watching today. And again, please subscribe to our channel. Like, subscribe, and share as much as you want to. We'll see you next time.